Dollar General. Come here, Ma. Come.
No, actually, I don't. To the house. I left it on the table. Oh, but I'm doing better.
You pay for my
Come. Come on, woman.
Chalk it up.
You sure?
Chalk it up. You sure about that?
positive. Woo, hold on.
Belch.
Hold on.
Are you sure?
Almost, yeah. Woo, look at those nice things. Oh.
Did you get the video?
Oh, I'm getting it all.
Nobody stop trying to get me.
I'm not. Your mom's walking in front of you.
Stop doing it.
It's my life.
I don't care. Don't get
I can walk if I want. Could I borrow the keys?
No.
I got my keys.
That's good.
You don't go without us.
Exactly.
Yeah, tell her.
Alright, see now.
You don't go without us.
I'm not going without you.
You can't.
That's my little girl.
Oh,
Look at how pretty you look. You look so pretty. You tell your grandma. You can't go anywhere.
She found me.
Huh?
She found me.
This is hilarious.
Did you get the video?
Yeah, I got 2 videos now. This is the second one. Well, second one just today.
Oh, God.
The first one was when she walked out at Dollar General.
Oh, my Lord.
You said want a pizza?
Yeah.
Thank you. Oh, this is too funny.
Did you get all of the video?
Oh, we're getting it all the
You can
videos.
bet on it, baby girl. You know what? I think when we go home, I'm gonna take a nap. How about you today? I'm gonna go take a nap.
Okay, I think she's done.